Hello everyone, my name is Marta Rezai. Um, I applied for a position in Triple Essence Reply Company as a junior UX designer. I moved to Germany in 2013 because I wanted to study my master in Hochschule Darmstadt after I accepted on it. And my background in graphic design helped me a lot because I gained some knowledge and insight about design, which I was interested since I was a child about art and design. And I went to some drawing classes, to some painting and sketch classes, and I learned about that kind of things, and I was playing instrument and that kind of things. But later on I decided to study graphic design so I can use the talent and creativity that I have in that kind of uh, stuffs in my project. And uh, after my master studies, I also, before I finished my master studies, I had three internship in three different companies in Wiesbaden as a graphic designer, which helped me a lot to learn about different, especially working in teams. For example, I had a discussion with digital managers, and they asked me to make an installation for employee wall in our company's kitchen, that they wanted to put the logo and picture of the different employees on the wall so everyone can know who's the employees in this company. And also in another company, um, I had to work with print and digital departments of designs. And for example, I was working in the print part to we have a project with Deutsche Bahn that we wanted to create some walls with designs for them based on the sightseeing that they have on the city. And I create that for the team, and they have a consultation about it, that what kind of picture we can use and that kind of things. And all this consultation helped me a lot to develop my skills and learn how to work in teams and have a better consultation for the better product. And of course, all these things help me as a background in my UX design, that I can make something, a product which is simple but also beautiful. And also, for me, it is very important to put the user at the center of every design that I do, because they are very, very important. And when I know their needs and interests, it will help me to have a better products and that kind of things, that which is the important as a UX designer. And are the skills of UX design to have a user research, so we can have a persona and then make the better user flow and wireframe and prototyping at the end, of course, usability test to know if we need any changes. And I like the things also about your company, that you also put the user at the center of all your works, and you get the feedbacks from them all around the world. And you also pay attention to your employees, to have a training for them, which is very important, I think. And you want a UX designer who has a good communication and innovation that can bring to the teams, and also have a good knowledge about UX design and could make a good presentation. So I think all the things that I have, I can bring all these things, the insights and skills that I have together in your teams. And Of course, all of us, we have positive and negative sides, and some weakness and some strengths that we have. Of course, I work on a teams, and I love to work more on a teams as a junior UX design, so I can learn more insights and use the other designers, my colleagues' experiences to gain more knowledge about my field and become a better and better designer. And like all the people, we all have stress, and it's very good. I also have sometimes when there's lots of pressure, we all become stressful, and I also try to control it and be positive and look at the end of the light at the end of the tunnel. But yeah, this is the things also I should work on it more and learn how to become a better person. About the salary, I think that as I researched for my position, 40,000 till 45,000 euro per year is the things that I want. But of course, we can talk about it and have a discussion about the salary and everything else. Yeah, at the end, I want to know first that how many people are working in the company, and how can I get to know my team members and other employees in the company, and also what is the strategy or style of the management in this company, that when somebody new come to this company, you introduce them to the other members so they can get on board and become familiar with the whole system and the whole company. And I also want to know that why this job was available, how was the style and work style of the other employees that they worked before me, and what are the responsibility and expectations that you have from me as a designer. And I want to know what is my weekly or a typical day of my work as a UX designer, and with which departments I will work together with developers or other designers. I want to know about it. So thank you so much for your time and for your concern. I will be glad to hearing from you, and please don't hesitate to write for me whenever you want to via my email or my telephone number, and I will be glad to see you guys together, and hopefully we can work together in the company and make the better future together. Thank you so much and have a nice day.